Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making something super exciting and totally unique, Aloo Samosa Roll. It's crispy, flavorful and packed with desi vibes in a brand new avatar. So let's roll right into it. Add 1 tablespoon oil to a pan, add 1 tablespoon chopped onion and 1 teaspoon green chili. Saute it until it smells nice and gets slightly golden. Now add 1 tablespoon each of cabbage, carrot and capsicum. These colorful veggies not only bring brunch but also boost nutrition. Add half teaspoon red chili flakes, salt, pepper powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. Mix it well. Now mash in 2 boiled potatoes. Cook for about 2 minutes. Now soak half cup poha in 1 cup of water for a few minutes and then drain well. In a bowl, pour in the sauteed veggies and soak poha. Mix everything nicely. This combo gives the perfect balance of softness and texture. Did you know poha not only adds softness but also helps bind the mixture without needing breadcrumbs? Grease your hands with a little oil, take some mixture and shape it into small rolls, like mini samosa cylinders. Always cool the filling before shaping. This helps the rolls hold shape while frying. Now in a small bowl, mix 1/4 cup flour with 1/3 cup water to make a smooth slurry. This will help the coating stick perfectly. Now take ready-made samosa sheets and cut them into thin strips. Dip each roll in the flour slurry, then wrap it gently with the samosa sheet strips. This is going to create a crunchy ribbon-like outer layer. Fry the rolls in medium heated oil until golden brown and crispy. Don't rush, medium heat keeps them perfectly cooked and crunchy. So that's our crispy, spicy and super fun Aloo Samosa Roll, desi flavor with a modern twist. Tell us in the comments, would you like a cheesy version next time? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more creative snacks and sweet treats. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!